Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Pepechain token. Ticker symbol is PC. This token just got listed recently on CoinMarketCap. Brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps, so you can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the Pepechain token just got listed on CoinMarketCap. Right now it's up around 30%. It's doing very well today. On CoinMarketCap, you can find a full white paper. You can find their link tree. Pepechain.network is their official webpage. Their Ether scans on here, their Block Explorer, Twitter, Telegram, all sorts of information, price chart, contract address, basically everything you are looking for. So it says the Pepechain exists as an Ethereum virtual machine compatible blockchain that will facilitate the growth and interactions in the Pepe ecosystem. We built the chain and tailored it to meet the needs of Pepe's economy's NFTs, DeFi, and dApp projects. A few game changers the Pepechain has to offer include faster speed, cost effectiveness, EVM compatibility, friendly UX, etc. From DeFi to NFTs and GameFi, we plan to guide founders into launching profitable projects. The entire Web3 community is set to witness a radical influx in high-quality projects through the Pepechain. The entire Web3 community is set to witness a radical influx of high-quality projects through Pepe's chain. We are changing the narratives. So it says currently there is a 4-in-4 tax, but there will no longer be taxed tokens once we release our own blockchain. You can stake your Pepe and your PC to gain rewards accordingly. So you can stake the main Pepe token. You can also stake your Pepechain tokens, get rewards. So this is an Ethereum token. So basically, if you wanted to buy this token, all you'd have to do is simply fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance, or sorry, not with Binance Smart Chain, with Ethereum. All you'd have to do is fund your wallet with Ethereum, go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then trade your Ethereum for the PC token using the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap or their Ether scan or their webpage, white paper. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address. And you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, so just be aware of that. Slippage would probably be around 4% for buys and 4% for sells because of their 4-in-4 transaction tax. But if you tried to buy this token and you know exactly what the slippage is, let people know in the comments down below. Give them a rough idea of what slippage will be. Now, according to their Ether scan, right now they have 665 holders, 9 decimal places on this token, and a max total supply of 1 billion tokens. So if we head over to their official webpage, Pepechain.network, there's going to be all sorts of info over there. Of course, all sorts of Pepe memes. We need those, of course. And they have on their link tree, they have a DEX tools chart, Uniswap link, Ether scan, and website as well. So, and they have a Telegram linked on their webpage. I mean, you can obviously find the chart right now on CoinMarketCap. You don't need to go over to DEX tools really anymore. It says 100% locked liquidity. So introducing the Pepechain, the layer 1 blockchain ecosystem built for memes. Pepechain is reshaping how the meme economy is perceived. We're creating a conducive environment for Web3 founders to build and launch innovative projects from DeFi, NFT, GameFi. The entire Web3 community is set to witness a radical influx in high-quality projects. So it's fairness to everyone. They have airdrops here. It says Pepe and PC are the two paramount tokens in the Pepechain ecosystem. Pepe will be the governance token, and Pepechain and PC will be used for gas fees. 3% supply airdropped reserved for Pepe holders, and they will be airdropped, and there's currently 4/4 tax. And how it all started. So the roadmap is on here, starting with phase 1, Pepechain beta release, then the Pepechain mainnet launch, then the listing of Pepe and PC on exchanges, then the formation of the Pepechain DAO, website design and launch, 5,000 organic Telegram members, awareness ads on Twitter. Then phase 2 is going to be expand the team, craft and design the white paper, form global partnerships with projects, form global partnerships with exchanges. Then they're going to get an audit on the smart contract, audit the protocol, make Pepechain code open source, redesign and launch the website. Phase 3, 20,000 Telegram members, 30,000 holders of PC and Pepe, attend many Ask Me Anythings for awareness, articles, prominent media, listing on Tier 1 central exchanges, bug bounty, grants and builders, and then the last phase here is going to be tokenomics redesign, organize accelerator programs, continuous partnerships, get sponsorships, kick off ambassador program, expand marketing efforts, expand the team. And then it says, why should you build and use the Pepechain? Well, number 1, speed. Ethereum is slow. Rather than complain, we are building something better and faster. Cost effectiveness, wave goodbye to gas fees. The Pepechain is here to stay, and we are not costly. EVM compatibility, Ethereum has a lot of liquidity in the market, hence the reason our protocol is on par with theirs. Ethereum developers can also build smart contracts on the Pepechain with familiar languages and frameworks and friendly UX and account abstraction. We don't want to be another complicated and unnecessarily technical blockchain out there. We're keeping everything simple with account abstraction. So then they have frequently asked questions at the bottom of the page if you want to learn more. What is the Pepechain all about? What's the future of Pepechain? Why is it more efficient? Yada, yada, yada. And yeah, that is about it. You can check out all the info at pepechain.network. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about the Pepechain token and their future blockchain? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Thanks for everybody hitting that join button, supporting on Patreon, all that good stuff. And y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.